Hey guys, so this program accepts any month in numerical format. Like for January, it accepts the value 1, February 2, March 3, and so on till December 12. And what it does is it displays the number of days in that month. So for this, we can use switch case rather than else if ladder, more easier, because we have to compare equal to for a lot of months and combine everything by logical operator for similar months which have got similar number of days. So I'll switch over to switch case structure, which makes it very easy. So let's recall the number of days. January, which is represented as 1, March and May, July, August and October and December have got 31 days. And the one that has got 30 days are April and June. Then comes September and November have got 30 days. Then comes our month of February, which has got 28 in a non-leap year, and it has got 29 in a leap year. So if you're going to use an else if ladder, yes, you will have 3 conditions: if, else if, and else. You will also, in an else if condition, you will have to continuously go on checking if it's equal to 1 or equal to 3 or equal to 5 or equal to 7, equal to 8. It's going to be too much or too tedious to write. Whereas if you're doing this in switch case, you just have to write the switch case, switch, and write month, and just go on writing the commonality for a set. Let's say if you're writing common for 1, so you can write case 1, case 3. Here we're using the logic without a break statement. So case 7, case 8, case 10 and case 12. For all these, I'm going to print 31 days. And then you can go ahead and put your break statement. Now the remaining one is your case 4, case 6, case 9 and case 11. You can write printf 30 days and break. And for the last case 2, you can give your set of output like non-leap year, it's going to be 28 days, comma leap year, it's going to be 29 days, and you have your break. You can go ahead and write your default statement also. I'm using this for the ease that for these many set of months, I don't have to write separate statements. I don't have to write a logical OR operator, and I don't have to keep on writing is month equal to 1 or month equal to 3 or month equal to 5 or month equal to 7. The name of the variable will be repeated all over the time. It's too time consuming. Here you just have to repeat the word case and write it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and go ahead with whatever number that you want to include. So I'm using switch case because it makes my coding much more easier. As we all know, such cases of code where the logic is very easy, time is consumed usually writing down the code in a proper manner. So if you write this in switch case, obviously it is less time consuming, helps you make less mistakes while typing it out also. So let's look at this in the code. So I'm going to enter variable month in the integer data type and ask your user enter numerical value of month and scanf %d ampersand month, and you can start with your switch case. Gone with case January, so I'll copy paste this, copy case, this is March, then comes May 135, May, then comes July 7, August, October, and December. So for all these, I have a single printf statement, 31 days. You can also write on top the month has and then write 31 days. No problem. That will also work just fine. Now this is over. Now comes your case April 4, then comes June 6, comes September 9 and November 11. You can have your printf statement, 30 days and break. Then comes the last, which is case 2, printf. You can write it as non-leap year 28 days, and you can also write in the next line or the same line, leave a little space. Outputs can always be manipulated by you as and how you wish it, 28 days, and put break. Then comes the default statement, printf as invalid input, and close your switch case. Okay, so let's take enter numerical value of the month. Let's take February itself. Non-leap year 28 days, leap year 29 days. Any one, let's take May 5, 31 days, or let's take October 31 days. Moving on to the second that block, you can take June. It will print, sorry, it's not printing, yes, /n was missing. So run for month June, it is 30 days. Again for 9 September, it is 30 days. If there is anyone out there who wants to know the if else, or if it's asked anywhere in some coding exam somewhere to use specifically only else if ladder, you can go ahead and write if month is equal to 1. I'll just copy this much. If month is equal to 1, or month is equal to 3, or month is equal to 5, or month is equal to 7, or month is equal to 8, or month is equal to 10, or month is equal to 12. So any of these conditions, and you can go ahead and directly printf /n 31 days. Else if inside this you could write month is equal to 4 for April, or June, or September 9, or November, which is 11, and the printf statement can be 30 days. Else, if I'm reserving the else for the invalid input, So you can directly go ahead and write month equals 2, and printf, you could write it as /n non-leap year is 28 days and /n leap year is 29 days. And you can write the else part as the invalid input printf statement. Invalid. Yes, it'll work fine. So again, run once again for, let's say, January. It's 31 days. Let's run for October. It's 31 days. Let's run for any random July. It's 31 days. 9 September should show 30 days. You can run for April, or let's say June, 30 days. And for February 2, you can run 28 days for non-leap year, leap year 29 days. Enter anything like 15 and it will say invalid input. Oh yes, I didn't do this in the switch case, but yes, the output will look the same. So this is how you can write the same thing. I would prefer the switch case statement because it's a lot less work than this and will finish very early. Unless and until it is specified somewhere to use else if ladder, you can go ahead and write the switch case itself. Thank you.